Okay, so we're browning our Italian sausage, and you can use hot Italian sausage. I'm using a mild one here today. I had that, I took it out of the freezer. So while this is browning, our sausage is browning, what we're going to do is finish cutting up the onion, because that's going to go next after we drain our sausage, okay? So here we go. We're just going to cut it into nice diced pieces, just like this, and we'll do the same thing with this side. Because we want to give our tortellini, as we cook our tortellini and our sausage and everything, we want to give it all some delicious flavoring, so that's where all of this will come in. So you can use store-bought frozen ones, just thaw them out first before you do this dish, or you can buy the fresh ones, and the fresh ones are over in the aisle where the lunch meats are usually, and the fresh pastas are. They're boxed up, and there's different brands, whatever you guys like, okay? All right, so here we have our beautiful sausage meat, and it's cooking really well. All right, so we're gonna keep browning him.
No, that sounds good.
And for those of you that tuned in a little late, here I have, in my hand, I have some of these little tortellinis we're going to make today. These are cute little tortellinis. Here they are. Little tortellinis. And these are cheese-filled, some spinach cheese-filled with ricotta and spinach inside, okay? And then I'm going to add, to thicken it up, some ricotta cheese later on when we get to that. After I put in some San Marzano, I'll dice and chop some San Marzano tomatoes, okay? All right. And then I have a couple of cups of chicken broth I have here. And this is browning very nice, our sausage is doing really well. We need to get him broken up here. And if some are bigger pieces, smaller, that's fine. Nothing is perfect in cooking, as we know. Just make sure you make it to your family's taste. That's what we know. That's the important thing. All right, now I think I'm going to dump this out now, and I'm just going to take him over here. Anthony will follow me to the sink, and what we're going to do is just put him right in here, just like this, and all of this cream is draining into the sink. Okay, now I'm going to leave a little of this here for just a second. I'm going to set him. I have a dish in there. I'm going to put him back on the stove, and then I'm going to get
better than in there than in our arteries.
That's right. And I'm going to get a paper towel and just wipe out our pan. There it is. See? That is our grease. Now I'm going to add some more olive oil now to the pan, and we're going to throw our onion. Okay? All right. So we give that a minute. It's sizzling. And in our onion goes that I diced up. And it's okay to use your hands, just make sure you wash them, okay? It's okay to use your hands. It's perfectly fine. Okay, so we're gonna, oh no, we need this. We're gonna keep this here, okay. All right, so then I'm gonna get these going. And in a minute, I'm gonna put our sausage back in here. Okay, so these are starting. Now I'm going to get our sausage from over here where it's draining, and I'm going to put him back in. There we go. Okay, and there we have our sausage with that. Now I have in this jar fennel seeds, okay? So part of Italian sausage is fennel, and we like our Italian sausage more fennel-y, if that is a word, than the sausage comes. So when we're back, we'll see you next. Eat out.